Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be cutting up a single seed potato for Single Seed Potato Challenge 22. This was sent to me by Steve at Digwell Green Fingers, and as you can see, currently got 1, 2, 3, 4 chits on this, and there might be another one starting there on the back. I've had this sat on the windowsill in this egg box since I received it in the post. So I'll bring the camera in closer and we'll get that cut up. So with a clean knife, just make sure you're not going to go through any. And there's that small one, so I'm going to cut that one off as well. And the other one there. So there's at least 4 and potentially a 5th there. So I'll put these upside down back in the egg box. And I'll pop them back on the windowsill for another a day or two until the skin's dried up, and then we'll get them planted. So I'll get back to you in a day or two once these have dried up. Right then guys, so it's been 2 days since I cut these. See, they've all healed over quite nicely. So I'm going to get these planted up into 9cm pots. Just using multi-purpose compost. I'm going to half fill the pots. Put the potato in with the chip pointing up. And fill the rest of the pot. Just like that. Add my label. Do that with the rest of them. I'll probably keep these under the light on top of the fish tank for until I can see them about this big, and then plant them up into 30-litre containers and maybe try and take some cuttings off some of them if there's enough shoots. give them a good soak in. Let them sit in here for a bit, and I'll get them on top of the fish tank. Right then guys, that's 5 chits off the single seed potato challenge from Steve at Digwell Greenfingers, all planted up and under the 2T5 lights on top of the fish tank. So we'll do another update once they start growing and throughout the season. So thanks for watching guys. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you're taking part in the challenge this year. Bye for now.